Hey folks, James from Bomber here with a video showing how fast you go from download to exporting a BOM with Bomber for Fusion 360. Let's begin. So the very first thing we do is make sure we have the right version, and then we hit download over here. Save the file to a directory somewhere. Once the download is complete, you go and click the file and you can start installing Bomber. Hit install now. Wait for the install to finish. Then hit close. Now, let's start Fusion 360. So, as Fusion 360 is loading, I could sit here and crack some jokes, but instead we're going to save you some time, and I'm just going to cut to right where we open it, which conveniently, and through the magic of editing, should be right about now. Great, now that we have Fusion open, let's go to Bomber, hit the Register Bomber button, and let's get started with registration. Some of these fields are pre-populated, but we require some additional information, such as your phone number, your company. If you're using this for personal use, you write none. Your company or personal website if you have one. From this drop-down, you select your primary job function. Other is an option. In this field, we ask you what you are using Bomber for. This allows us to make better software to meet our users' needs. Any other design tools that you may use. And then you accept the Bomber Master Subscription software terms and conditions. Once you hit OK, you'll get this pop-up. This time I do not need an additional guide. And let's begin. So let me find a model. This time I'll be using one provided by the Autodesk folks. This router table, by the way, was designed completely in Fusion 360 by Autodesk themselves. Honestly, it's a really cool model, and to test Bomber out, the amount of parts and the complexity is just perfect. And for this video, it'll work just as well. Now I'm going to cut a little bit forward, again, to not waste any time until the model loads right about now. So, now that the model is loaded, we go to the Bomber dropdown, select Export. I'll move the menu up so we can really see the OK, and hit OK. Now, Bomber begins the export process. You can see the bar finishes loading. And just like that, we have a fully functional BOM. Let me save it under something. Hit yes, and we have a BOM. Now, that took about 3 minutes and 40 seconds from download all the way to exporting a fully functional BOM. Now I know this may seem kind of spectacular, but if you don't believe me, I'll include a link to the Fusion 360 App Store below and you can test it out for yourself. But that's all I have for you today, folks, so as always, have an awesome day.